हेलो, स्वागत है दोस्तों आपका आपके चैनल द परमा एजुकेशन में। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सभी लोग सही होंगे और आपकी प्रिपरेशन बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से चल रही होगी। तो हम लोग आज बात करेंगे बीएड सेकेंड ईयर के एमसीक्यूज़ की, जो कि आपके पेपर 5 बीडी 205 ऑप्शनल पेपर है इन्वायरमेंटल एजुकेशन, उसके एमसीक्यूज़ करेंगे। और थोड़ा लेट वीडियो लाने के लिए मैं आप सभी से माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, किसी कारणवश ऐसा मैं नहीं कर पा रहा था। और आप लोग देख पा रहे होंगे चैनल का लोगो भी चेंज हो गया, चैनल का नेम भी थोड़ा सा मैंने चेंज कर दिया है, द परमा एजुकेशन इसको कर दिया। तो प्लीज़ आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है, इसको आप लोग जिस तरह से अभी तक प्यार देते आए वैसे ही इसके साथ बने रहें। और इसको सर्च करने में जो लोगों को कठिनाइयाँ हो रही हैं, आपके सहयोगी उनको इसमें हेल्प करें और लोगों तक इसको पहुंचाएं, अपना ढेर सारा प्यार दें जैसे अभी तक आप लोगों ने दिया है। और आप सभी से यही कहूँगा, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें जिन लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है। आप सभी को पता है आपकी एग्ज़ाम डेट्स आ चुकी हैं, तो आप अपनी प्रिपरेशन को कंटिन्यू करिए। आपके पास पढ़ने का पर्याप्त मटेरियल है, एमसीक्यूज़ हैं। बीडी 205 में अभी कर दे रहा हूँ इंग्लिश मीडियम में, बाकी इससे पहले बाकी सभी पेपर्स मैंने कर दिए हैं इंग्लिश मीडियम में। इनके पेपर्स प्रीवियस ईयर आए हुए हैं, उसको भी मैं कर दूंगा। 2 पेपर्स मैंने अपलोड किए हैं, बाकी 3 बचे हुए पेपर जैसे ही ये पेपर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा इसके बाद में कंप्लीट कर दूंगा। और इन सभी पेपर की अगर आपको पीडीएफ चाहिए तो टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मैंने वो सारी पीडीएफ अपलोड कर दी हैं, वो आप वहाँ से इसको ले सकते हैं। तो हम लोग अब स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं अपना बीडी 205 के एमसीक्यूज़, और ये पार्ट वाइज ही होंगे, छोटे छोटे वीडियोज़ में, जिससे कि आपको देखने में आसानी रहेगी। क्योंकि बड़े वीडियोस हो जाते हैं तो थोड़ा बोरिंग सा लग रहा है, और लगता भी है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एमसीक्यूज़ हैं। एमसीक्यूज़ तभी समझ आएंगे जब आपने थ्योरी पढ़ी होगी, तो थ्योरी के लिए आपको पढ़ना ज़रूरी होगा। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो डायरेक्टली एमसीक्यूज़ ही देख रहे हैं, तो उनको प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है। सारी चीज़ों को देखते हुए मैं आपको एमसीक्यूज़ ही डायरेक्टली करा रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, और वो छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में होंगे। तो आज हम लोग पार्ट 1 कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं बीडी 205 का, जो कि हमारा है इन्वायरमेंटल एजुकेशन। मैं आप सभी से यही कहूँगा, प्लीज़ जिन लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लें और इसको शेयर जरूर करें दोस्तों के साथ। ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा टॉपिक है जो आपका आज का टॉपिक होगा, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट एज एजुकेशन। यूनिट 2 होगा इन्वायरमेंटल एजुकेशन करिकुलम। यूनिट 3 इकोसिस्टम एंड मैन। यूनिट 4 आपका इन्वायरमेंटल क्राइसिस। यूनिट 5 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट। तो स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं हमारा आज का यूनिट 1, दैट इज इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट एज एजुकेशन। तो देखते हैं हमारा यूनिट नंबर 1 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के साथ जाते हैं। द टर्म इन्वायरमेंट हैज़ बीन डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम अ फ्रेंच वर्ड, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज इन्वायरनेनिया। ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, our surrounding includes biotic factors like option number D. We will go with option number D, human beings. Option B, plants. Option C, animal and microbes. Question number 3, our surrounding includes abiotic factors like option number D. All of the above, then all the options are option number A, light and temperature. Option B, water and soil. And option C, atmospheric gases. Question number 4, what includes all those things on which we are dependent for our survival, whether it is living component like animal, plants, or non-living components like soil, air and water. That is option number B, environment. Question number 5, environment mainly consists of option number C, both B and C above, lithosphere and biosphere. नन ऑफ द अबव यहाँ पे, तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी के साथ ऑप्शन नंबर बी भी हम लोग यहाँ पे कर सकते थे, एटमॉस्फेयर एंड हाइड्रोस्फीयर। वी विल गो विद ऑप्शन नंबर सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, इन्वायरमेंट इज एनीथिंग इमीडिएटली सराउंडिंग एन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड exerting a direct influencing on it. Who said so? That is option number D, P. Gisbert. Question number 7, environment is an external force which influences us. Whose statement is this? That is option number A, E.J. Ross. Question number 8, in whose view environment is everything that affects the individual except his genes. That is option number B, Anastasi. Question number 9, the term environment describe in the aggregate all the external forces, influences all conditions which affect the life, nature, behavior and the growth, development and maturity of living organism. Who stated so? That is option number A, Douglas. Question number 10, environment regulates the life of option number C, both A and B. A is organism and B is human beings. Question number 11, which of the following is the physical element of an environment? That's option number B, landforms. Question number 12, biological elements of environment includes option number D, all of the above. Then all the options are option number A, plants, option B, animals and option C, microorganism. Question number 13, Cultural elements of an environment includes option number A, socio-political elements. Question number 14. Water bodies like lakes, ponds, river, streams and oceans existing in our environment are known as option number C, hydrosphere. Question number 15. Which part of our environment contains soil, earth, rocks, mountain, etc.? That is option number A, lithosphere. Question number 16. The cover of the air that envelops the earth is known as option number B, atmosphere. Question number 17. What consists of plants, animals and microorganisms ranging from the tiniest microscopic organism to the largest whales in the sea? That is option number D, biosphere. Question number 18. The factors causing environment degradation include option number D, all of the above. Then all the options are option number A, urbanization, option B, deforestation, option C, use of insecticides and pesticides. Question number 19. The education dealing with the population growth, pollution, resources allocation and depletion, conservation technology and urban rural planning and human environment is called option number C, environmental education. Question number 20. Environmental education is a learning process that increases people's knowledge and awarenesses about the environment and associated challenges. Which body said so? That is option number A, UNESCO. Please comment below the what is the full form of UNESCO and UNICEF. Question number 21. Environmental education is aimed at producing a citizenry that is knowledgeable concerning the biophysical environment and its associated problems, aware of how to help solve these problems, and motivated to work towards their solution. Who said so? That is option number B, W.B. Steptel. Question number 22. Who said that environmental education is a means to teach a person to love the earth? That is option number C, Dr. Ken Gilbertson. Question number 23rd. Environmental education enhances option number D, all of the above. Then all the options are option number A, critical thinking, option B, problem solving, option C, decision making skills. Question number 24. Environmental education includes different aspects such as option number D, all of the above. Then all the options are option number A, environmental hazards, option B, need for conservation, option C, measures of conservation. Question number 25. According to UNESCO, environmental education should be compulsory right from primary stage up to option number A, postgraduate stage. Question number 26. Environmental education should have an interdisciplinary approach by including physical, chemical, biological as well as socio-cultural aspects of the environment. Which body said so? That is option number A, Global Green Growth Institute. That is option number A. Question number 27. Environmental education should be interdisciplinary, drawing from option number D, all of the above. Then all the options are option number A, biological and sociological resources, option B, anthropological resources, and option C, human resources. Question number 28. Environmental education is a process to promote awarenesses and understanding of option number C, environment. Question number 29. It is also vital that our entire society develops a new understanding and a new awarenesses of man's relation to his environment. What might be called environment literacy? Who said so? That is option number B, Nixon. Question number 30. A conference on environmental education was organized by the UNESCO in Tbilisi, Georgia, USSR in option number A, 1977. Question number 31. According to which declaration environmental education should consider the environment in its totality, natural and built, technological and social? That is option number C, Tbilisi Declaration. Question number 32. The aim of environmental education should be bring man into harmony with himself, his fellow man and his environment. Whose statement is this? It is option number B, Atwal. Question 33. The primary aim of environmental education is to help the child to understand the process which shapes his surroundings. Who said so? Option number D, Watts. Question 34. Which declaration stressed upon the need of local, national and international cooperation in dealing with environmental problems? That is option number A, Tbilisi Declaration. Question number 35. Every citizen should understand the environmental issues including option number D, all of the above. Then all the options are option number A, land use planning, option B, pesticide use, option C, surrounding population. Question number 36. Environmental education should aim at finding concrete solution to problems and provide for participation of teachers and pupils in a practice oriented teaching and learning process. Whose statement is this? That is option number C, Habrick and Kohola. Question number 37. The teaching of environmental education must integrate, that is option number D, all of the above. All the options are option number A, natural science, option B, social science, and option C, humanities. Question number 38. Environmental education should aim at sensitizing people by creating awareness about the environment and its problem, which body observes thus, that is option number C, UNESCO, UNEP 1989. Please comment below what is the full form of UNESCO. Question number 39. Environmental education program should aim to develop attitude, social values, and strong feeling of concern for the environment. Who said so? Option number D, Das and Ghosh. Question number 40. What disciplines are included in environmental education? That is option number D, all of the above, and all the options are option number A, environmental science, option B, environmental engineering, option C, environmental management. Question number 40, option number D will be correct. Question number 41. In which discipline we study about scientific study of environment, changes in organism, and the environmental damages caused because of human interaction with the environment? That is option number B, environmental science. Question number 42. In which discipline we study about technical process involved in the protection of environment and improving its quality? That is option number B, environmental engineering. Question number 43. Which discipline promotes due regard for physical, social, and economic environment for the enterprises or projects? That is option number C, environmental management. Question number 44. Environmental education program should infuse a sense of responsibility and urgency regarding environmental problems so as to ensure appropriate action to solve them. Who said so? That is option number C, Das and Ghosh. Question number 45. According to which declaration environment education enables the development of self-confidence, positive attitude, and personal commitment towards environment protection and improvement of the environment? That is option number C, Tbilisi Declaration. Question number 46. Which discipline provides knowledge on how natural environment functions and how human beings can deal with the ecosystem for sustainability? That is option number B, environmental education. Question number 47. Which body emphasizes the role of environmental education in improving quality of life through the protection of environment and sustainable development? That is option number D, UNESCO. Again, I am saying please comment below what is the full form of UNESCO. Question number 48. What refers the study of organism and how they interact with their environment? That's option number C, ecological perspective. Question number 49. Ecological scientists study organism environment interaction across ecosystem of all sizes ranging from microbial communities to the earth as a whole. Who said so? That is option number A, Caroline M. Question number 50. Branch of science that deals with the study of distribution and abundance of organism in the ecosystem and their interaction with the environment is called option number B, ecology. Question number 52. Our environment includes option number C, both B and C above. B and C above. B and C above. B is biotic, biological, and C is none of the above. Question number 52. Biotic, abiotic or physical environment includes option number D, all of the above. That is option number A, light, heat or solar radiation. Option B, moisture, wind, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Option C, nutrients in soil, water and atmosphere. Question number 53. Biotic or biological environments include option number D, all of the above. Then all the options are option A, animals, option B, plants, trees and grass, and option C, bacteria and mass. Question number 54. Environmental education is a way of implementing the goals of environmental protection. It is not a separate branch of science but lifelong interdisciplinary field of study. Which organization stated so? That is option number C, UNESCO. Question number 55. The environmental education includes different aspects such as option number D, all of the above, and all the options are option number A, environmental hazards, option B, need for conservation, option C, role of education in conservation. Question number 56. Providing environmental education is the responsibility of option number D, all of the above, and all the options are option number A, government, option B, media, educational institutions, option C, NGOs. Question number 57. Ecological studies may examine option number D, all of the above, and all the options are option A, individual organism, option B, single species population, option C, multiple species communities. Question number 58. Hydrosphere includes option number B, water bodies such as lakes, ponds and river. Question number 59. The solid outer part of the earth include the brittle upper portion of the mantle and the crust is known as option number A, lithosphere. Question number 60. A global ecosystem composed of living organism that is known as biotic and the abiotic non-living factor is known as option number C, biosphere. Question number 61. The first international conference on environment was held in option number A, Tbilisi. Question number 62. Which of the following organization works for environmental education? That is option number B, IEEP. Question number 63. In which year a conference on environmental education was held? That is option number B, October 1975. Question number 64. Which of the following are the components of environmental education? That is option number C, both A and B above. A is child and B is environment. Question number 65. In which place World Environment Conference June 1972 was held? That is option number C, Stockholm. Question number 66. When is International Environment declared Environmental Day celebrated every year? That is option number B, 5th June. Question number 67. Environment components are option number C, both A and B above. A is natural and B is social and cultural. देखिए मैं आप लोगों से बोलना चाहता हूँ, प्लीज़ कमेंट बिलो 5 जून जो कि 5 जून वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे होता है, इसकी थीम क्या थी? 2021 की भी आप बताइए, 2022 की भी बताइए, क्योंकि अभी जो पेपर्स हुए हैं राजा महेंद्र प्रताप यूनिवर्सिटी के बीएड फर्स्ट ईयर के, वहाँ तक इसकी थीम पूछ ली गई, तो आप लोग इसकी थीम ज़रूर यहाँ पे कमेंट करें। और बाकी जिन लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, आप सभी से कहूँगा चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें। नेक्स्ट पार्ट मैं लेके आऊँगा जल्दी ही, आप इसको देखते रहें, छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में इसको लेके आएंगे जिससे आपको देखने में आसानी रहेगी और आपके हेल्थ इश्यूज़ भी नहीं आएंगे। कंटिन्यू हमको स्क्रीन के सामने नहीं बैठना है, आप अपनी हेल्थ का भी ध्यान रखिए। तो अभी तक जिन लोग ने वीडियो को देखा है बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और आगे भी ऐसे ही देखते रहिए, मैं यहाँ पे आपको सारी वीडियोस प्रोवाइड कराता रहूँगा। थैंक यू सो मच।